V-Core Lift Essential Program by Isa Herrera Reviews. Before we delve into the V-Core Lift Essential review, it is essential to understand what pelvic floor is. Most women never thought much about pelvic floor muscles until some problem occurs. The pelvic floor muscles are very important in the body, and ignoring it can have potentially significant consequences later in life. Many women are confused about what the pelvic floor does, and where it is located. It is essential to understand how the pelvic floor muscles impact your health. According to the Mayo Clinic, a pelvic floor is a group of muscles that supports a woman's pelvic muscles, including uterus, bladder, and rectum. Besides, in helping hold a woman's internal organs, they also play an essential role in urine control and sexual satisfaction. If you are having trouble with urine leakage or having an urge to pee frequently, your pelvic floor is at play. It can become a real problem when such episodes become a regular part of your life. You know how horrifying it can be when it leaks in public. Some common issues of weak pelvic floor muscles include diastasis recti, separation of your abs, weak vaginal muscles, and weight gain. What is V-Core Lift Essential? V-Core Lift Essential is an online program designed by Isa Herrera to help strengthen your pelvic floor muscles. It teaches some simple movement that is intended to help you gain control over your bladder, help you lose weight, stop diastasis recti, and strengthen your pelvic floor muscles. The program's whole routine is centered on the S.T.A.R.R system, which encourages women to practice the right exercise for their bodies and figure out what is causing the problem. About Isa Herrera. Isa Herrera is a certified physical therapist and an expert in integrative pelvic floor therapies in the field of women's health. She developed her proficiency in diagnosing and treating pelvic pain by helping over 10 of thousands of women at her New York City-based healing center Renew Physical Therapy since 2005. Isa Herrera pioneered the use of integrative modalities like sound healing, Maya abdominal massage, low-level laser therapy, and Andean energy techniques with traditional evidence-based physical therapy in ways that had never been done at her healing center. It has since become very mainstream to talk about integrative approaches. Isa Herrera has been there in those trenches long before it was a hot topic. Isa Herrera also spent years as an adjunct professor at Hunter College in New York, teaching pelvic floor techniques to third-year doctoral-level physical therapy students. She was always unsatisfied that there was no broad level of teaching about pelvic floor issues in schools. Even her medical and fitness professional friends tell her that they have not received a formal training in pelvic health. So you can see why she so fervently pushed to get her pelvicpainrelief.com online school up and running. She has also authored 5 books on the topic of pelvic health. After suffering from pelvic floor dysfunction herself after her daughter's birth, Isa Herrera has made it her life's mission to help women and men to correct pelvic floor dysfunction and educate professionals on the right mix of evidence-based and integrative techniques to help patients achieve lifelong health and wellness. Why should you use V-Core Lift Essential? Even if you visit your doctors, most likely, they may prescribe you a medication, make you wear diapers, pads, or suggest surgery. And if you add medication to your diet, it can come with an unwanted side effect and the solution can be temporary. But if you implement proper Kegel exercise and adopt a healthy lifestyle, you can naturally correct your pelvic floor disorder. V-Core Lift Essential has been designed by an expert who knows about this field exceptionally well. Isa has an impressive resume, which is enough to convince you that using this program wouldn't waste your time and money. You can just go and look up her Facebook page and see how accomplished she is. Most importantly, this program is trusted by doctors, trainers, and midwives, which adds to her credibility. This program is solely based on evidence rather than on some amateur's personal experience. Frequently asked questions. How long will it take to perform the exercise daily? According to the creator, it shouldn't take more than 10 minutes a day to get the desired result. When will you notice the positive result? Getting results can vary from person to person, as every individual is different from skill levels to body types. However, if you are able to follow the exercise routine, you should be able to notice positive results within about a week of your first session. Who is this program for? V-Core Lift Essential can be followed by any woman over age 30 and above, no matter if they are new parents, going through menopause, or have recently given birth. The routine can be used by anyone who wants to strengthen pelvic floor muscles and stop urine leakage, poor intimacy, pain in the back, diastasis recti, weight gain, and other related problems. What if you are not satisfied with the result? If you are not satisfied with the result, you have the option to refund within 60 days from the date of purchase. If you have any questions or concerns about the program, it has a live chat window where you can chat with an agent in real time.